No. Hello. Nah. Talking about rage. Well, that's enough. Too spooky for me. My YouTube channel is boring as fuck. Hooray! Nah. This should be called Escape the Cannibal Pizza Place, because they have some dead body parts in the cannibal thing. I hate cannibals. If you're a cannibal, stop. Stop. I can't stop being so cringe on my YouTube channel. I have channels? No, I have one channel. I'm gonna try and zoom in with my focus day. Yeah. Straight out of competition. Alright, fine, I'm straight out of here, you know, just gotta watch it. Holy shit! Dude, what that is now? It was at this moment that dumb demon guy knew. He fucked up. And changed my mind. I changed my mind. This guy in the CIA thing is totally fucked. To be continued. It was at this moment he knew he was really stupid when he came through that door. When you think that was gonna do anything, consequences. Jesus, you went too far. Jesus Christ. I'm emotion prone. I'm emotion dead. Oh, he's actually doing a good job. He's actually killing him. I thought this guy was gonna go with his like hand. Oh. His mouth got out and his tongue is gonna. That moment when you ran out of ammo. Fucking fuck. Oh shit. Oh, the barrel just went behind him. It was at this moment he knew. Dead! Is he Attack on Titan now? Because he just healed. Yes, I'm actually not drawing anything. I'm just like punching like body back. Jesus Christ. Oh shit! The face is ugly. This is what you get. Well, shit, you know what's gonna happen.
Шики-брики!
Get out of here, stalker.
Yeah, I should download what he's making and I should make an animation. To be continued. Bow, 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 down. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where does it say that? Where does it say to be continued?
I'm just a nigga with a rocket launcher.